Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a subscribe link on your mobile. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business with YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a subscribe link on your mobile phone. On my previous video on how to create a subscribe link, click the link up there if you want to watch it, I was asked how to create a subscribe link on a mobile phone. So I'm going to jump straight in and show you right now how to do it. Okay, so open up your YouTube app on your mobile phone. So once you have it open, go up to the top right and click on your icon. So select the first option, your channel. So when you have your channel open on your app, tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on share. So what we want to do here is we want to copy our channel URL. Now, if you have a custom URL and you already know it, you can skip past this step. If you don't have 100 subscribers and you have that really long URL, you definitely need to do this step, as it's highly unlikely that you'll know it off by heart. Now, if you have over 100 subscribers and you don't have your custom URL yet, then click on the link up on the card up there or in the description below to watch the video on how to get your custom URL. So once you have your link copied, then go to a Notes app and then write it down. Or we're going to paste it in here. Now we have our channel URL in the note. I'm just going to add some text to create that subscribe link. So what I need to add is !sub_confirmation equals 1. So it's your channel URL and the text !sub_confirmation equals 1 is your channel subscribe link. So now you have this, you can copy the whole thing. And if you have a video you want to add it to into the description, go to your Studio app, open up a video, and I'm going to click on the pencil icon up on the top, go into my description, and then click on paste there. So we'll see our text is there now, our subscribe link, and when we click on save, then that becomes an active subscribe link in our description. Now you can take your subscribe link, you can post it in emails, you can send it in WhatsApps, you can send it in messengers or anything like that. Put it in your Facebook profile, you can pop it in your Instagram profile, Twitter profile, anywhere you want. You can use that URL to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Now you have your subscribe link. Where are you going to post it? Let me know in the comments area below. I love to know where you're going to share this. Now, if this is your first time here or you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, then go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays and live streams on Saturdays. Get notified by hitting the notification bell. Again, if you want to see the other video on how to create a subscribe link, hit that link there. Or if you want to see how to create your custom URL, watch that video there.